A Chinese villager started a ski resort business to realize his winter sports dream in Qizhanjiao village, Xingtai City, North China's Hebei province. Yang Zubo's ski resort covers an area of 40,000 square meters. Started in 2018, it has become a comprehensive ice and snow sports base, where visitors can experience skiing, skating, curling and VR-powered sports. In the past 2 years, the ski resort has encountered challenges due to the COVID-19 pandemic, but Yang didn't give up. He plans to adopt advanced technologies, such as 5G in the resort construction so that tourists can feel the happiness brought by skiing all year round. China's vision of engaging 300 million people in winter sports has become a reality thanks to the newfound passion for winter sports among Chinese of all ages following Beijing's successful bid for the 2022 Games. According to a survey released last month, over 346 million Chinese people have participated in winter sports since the country won the bid in 2015. And China is also making winter sports more accessible. As of early 2021, China had built 654 standard ice rinks across the country, up a whopping 317% from 2015. The nation also has a total of 803 indoor and outdoor ski resorts.